Hi, I'm William Studmuffin from GenTech Scientific. What I'm going to show you today is the procedure for opening and closing your regulator. This is a two-stage diaphragm valve regulator, and the number one way these get broken is if you leave the nozzle open when you open the cylinder. So when you mount your regulator onto your gas cylinder, make sure your nozzle is closed. When you open your cylinder, this has to be closed, otherwise you're going to break the diaphragm valve and you'll have to replace your regulator. So remember the tech tip: leave your regulator closed when you open your cylinder. And that's the tech tip for the day.